All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the 8x10 3-pack with Lazard. Who else was in there? Lazard, Kuhn, and Quintez Cephas. All right, there we go. So we'll check the time, July 28th at 9:17 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have July 28th at 9:17 p.m. There is the list of our 12 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Wade. Spot 6 is your winner. So, Wade, please message me to collect your 8x10s. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 28th, 9:18 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.